Tonight, a new study from ASU and Salt River Project says the state could save a lot of water by cutting down and removing trees across the state. 12 News journalist William Pitts explains what the study found and how much water the state could save by thinning the forest.
Arizona has a lot of forests with a lot of trees, but SRP says we can actually save a lot of water if we started cutting them down. For decades, that was unthinkable. Cutting down trees in the forest, it just wasn't done. But experts say it should have been.
So if you thin over a large landscape, just a little bit of depth of water left behind results in a large volume of water savings.
Bo Savoma is a meteorologist with SRP. Bo was with us when we went with SRP to measure the snowpack this winter. He says this was not the way the forest should have looked.
So there was a lot of really thin, small trees that we were walking through. Those should have been burned off by a fire a long time ago, leaving behind maybe a few of the big, old, thick, tall ponderosa pines.
But a crowded forest means fires that wipe out everything. Then the rains come and the dirt and debris that's left washes away.
It can carry a bunch of sediment down into the reservoirs, and that could eat at the capacity of the reservoirs, and that's a hit to the water supply.
It's a trade-off. Not enough trees, and you have those mudslides. Too many trees, and they use up a lot of water to grow. So it's never really been a question of whether the forest should be thinned, but how much, and how much water it can actually save. That's where LiDAR comes in. LiDAR can scan a forest down to the individual leaf or pine needle. These two pictures are the same chunk of forest before and after thinning.
So you can get really high resolution information about a forest.
And once researchers like Ren Raming at Arizona State University know how many trees there are, they can plug that information into a simulation of the forest.
So we can predict, where the water will go in the landscape when a tree is located in a certain spot, and also what will happen when we remove that tree.
And the prediction is about 230 acre-feet of water savings. An acre-foot of water is the amount of water 3 homes use in a year. So that's a savings of about 700 homes per year, just by making the forest healthy.
This is a number of small things that can add up to something big in the meantime before there's a bigger solution.
SRP says it's already happening. They've started thinning some of the land they have. The U.S. Forest Service is set to start thinning places like this campground in Payson. The goal is to make it look like it did before humans started messing with it, improving forest health, fire danger, and saving water at the same time. William Pitts, 12